Well, I asked for 2 glasses. She gave me 2 mugs. Oh, I broke one of the 2 that I got from Wally World a long time ago. I love this. I love this. So, just got to finish washing my glasses, put my towel back. Put my thing back. And then I'll get started on this mess. Oh, we don't like that. Oh, darn. Just like I don't like you climbing on top of my shit. I had to give in and give them that much space to get to the window to look out. You don't get all the space. You don't get all the whole space. Yeah, I gotta clean this up. Okay, take a quick look. Screenshot, circle, send. Just pick something. Take a screenshot. Send it to me. What you want me to wrap for you. Or this one has a couple of beads that needs fixing, and then that'll be ready to go. This one is ready to go. These are ready to go. If you like raw, there you go. Yes, even the big one. Well, most of my customers like it chunky, and some don't. But anywho, I'm going to take a little break from just going to the hospital and get started on the beading station. And then I'm going to save that station for last because I like looking out the window. So, I am more than, halfway there. Oh, he didn't come yet. Damn. Well, I saw him driving up as we went out, so I was hoping he was coming to my house. The maintenance man didn't come, princess? What'd you put your head down for? Did you pee-pee somewhere? Did you poo-poo somewhere? Huh? Did you go poo-poo someplace you're not supposed to go poo-poo? See, when I say glasses, I mean this. Leave my rings alone. New bleach don't work quite the same as old bleach. Come to find out. It's all liquidy and shit, like oil. Anyway, let me stop fussing and get to rearranging my cabinets little by little by little. Oh, it's only been a year, but that's okay. I'm going to do it. One of these days, my kitchen is going to be exactly how it looks in my head. Yeah, there's funny things in my head, but in my head, my pantry is well organized. Even if I have to put shit in alphabetical order. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Even if I have to start putting stuff in alphabetical order or something, that's what I'm going to do. How do you arrange your cabinets? For those of you that are really anal, fastidious about your cupboards. Magic, you need to move. It is muggy outside. We are not going out. So stop crying, please. And no, you're not going to get more treats just because we didn't go outside. Okay? All right. I love you, son. Go play with your brother. Oof. Okay. Let's take a little break. And work on yesterday's project. Let's get this finished up while I'm taking a back break and then go finish the beadboard section, whatever. Whew. And let's finish eating my watermelon because the doctor, told me to drink that magnesium, blah, 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 blah. That's why I got to find only natural stuff works. I'm telling you, for me. All them citrates and citrites and magnum said whatever. I just had the runs all night. Thus the towel you saw in the bed. So, what time is it? Okay, it's 2 o'clock. I'm not finished with my chores, so we just got to keep pushing. Now, I think I'm going to take a quick break. After I take a quick break, I'm going to take my bed apart so I could do that. And hope that doesn't take a whole hour. See, this is why we seniors sometimes need help. Don't ask. Just do it. Because most of them going to say, oh, no, baby, I'm fine. I could do it by myself. No, they can't. They're lying. Trust and believe. They're lying. Seniors, yes, you are lying when you say you don't need no help. You do need help. Okay, I can put this one back on the charger. Where's the black one? Oh, the black one is in the living room. Got to put my tops back on things, you know. You can't just let things go open. That's why we seniors are so fastidious about our things. I don't want no cat food or whatever getting shoved in there, and then I would have just wasted $11. Ah, I am so happy. I feel so good. I got plenty of exercise already this morning, but I'm going to get some more. That space that I made for the cats over by the kitchen windows, I think I'm going to use that to start taking out all the pantry shit and rearrange it, and then sit down. Come sit down for a while. Come make up the bed, and then sit down for a while. Go back in the kitchen, put away my dishes. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just making a mental checklist for myself. You just ear hustling. So, you don't have to ear hustle. But this is why we seniors do this. So, we have a checklist, and don't forget. So, if I forget by the time the sun goes down, I'm going to come listen to my own videos and say, did I do everything I said I was going to do, and keep myself accountable? This is how I keep myself accountable. Yeah. Want some watermelon? I got a couple pieces left. Need more water from squeezing out water all night. Yeah, that's all I did. Water, water, water. Everything's still in there. So, that's okay. I'm just going to keep getting better and better and better. That's all there is to it. I already made up my mind, and so it is. So mote it be. So anything else you want to put there at the end of that to confirm there's nothing to do but get better. Do better. Have better. He waiting to go outside because I'm off of our routine of going outside every morning. But I slept late. I don't wake up till like 8 o'clock. Sorry, son. It is very muggy outside. I need to put the thing in the window to suck the air back out of the house. Lord, let them come before 5 o'clock to put light bulbs in and to fix my thing. It just drives me nuts. It really does. But anyway, life goes on, and life is still beautiful no matter what, because I say so. Okay, let's put that back so I don't forget where it is. Oh, may as well check my sugar now, huh? Let's see what we are. Oh, darn. Oh, it's because I ate. When did I eat? Less than 2 hours ago, that's why. It's a little high. Anywho, life goes on. And if you say it's going to be good, it's going to be good. If you say it's going to be bad and fucked up, then, well, there you go. Yep. Where the mind goes, the behind follows. So let's just keep it pushing.